I just happened to be on my bike riding around Bukitinggi, and I noticed that the big market near my hotel is in full swing, I think. So just for fun, and because I wanted to capture some video of some of the activity here, I just turned around and I'm going to see if I can walk through the market with my bike. It's going to be a bit crowded. It'd probably be better to lock up my bike somewhere, but it's kind of hard to do that in this area. So I'm going to see if I can walk through it with my bike. Hello. So as you can see, hello, how are you? Thank you. I like it very much. No thank you. Too big. Oh. But if a little bit of a traffic jam here, they're going to have to work things out. That's kind of how these markets go. I'm trying to pull over as far to the side as I can. If the guys ahead of me could break the log jam, but nobody's moving. So here we go. And it's interesting for me because all the people that you see here selling carrots and peppers and cabbage, these are the same people that are up near the village where I've been staying a little bit. So all the people that I see, you know, that you see in the countryside, growing and tending to all these crops, you know, they come down to this market to sell all this stuff. And then they go back out into the countryside. I've actually gone through this market on foot a couple of times already. Hello. 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 Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Oh. Oh. I stopped to let this truck go by, but he's not going anywhere, so he's unloading. But yeah, I came through this market a couple of times on less busy days. I was looking for a few things, but I didn't bring any of my cameras with me. Comes another truck.
Come here, come here, come here. Come here, friend.
Well, maybe I can go this way. Yeah, I think there's a lot of kind of wholesale going on here. Yeah, I think a lot of this produce, like the cabbage here, you know, very large bags, they'd be bought in bulk, loaded onto one of these trucks, and then taken to Padang, probably, Pekanbaru, Payakumbuh, all these other surrounding cities. Wow, a lot going on here. Nope. Better get out of the way again. Got some more trucks coming. These hand carts are quite something too. They carry pretty big loads. Looks like there's a major jam back in that direction. A lot of trucks. Ooh. Yeah, there's very narrow passageways heading off into buildings and other parts of the market, but I'm not going to try to go in any of those directions. As I said, I've been walking through all this area before. Hello. No, thank you. Yeah, look at this guy with his load. He's sort of coming downhill. Once you come to a stop, it's really hard to get moving again. All right, there we go. Hello.
Jagung.
No.
Salah.
Salah.
Mangga.
Mangga.
This.
It's nice.
Harum. Harum manis.
Mm-hmm.
And water wet.
And then when they go back to where they came from, well, people come in shopping for their families, then they go back to their villages. They take these minivans, but they get so crowded inside. All right, so that's a little stroll through the market. I'm coming back out onto the main road again. So this is a Friday. So Friday seems to be a full market day. Yeah. And I think Tuesday is a full market day as well. Now, this is going to be a challenge. Sort of cross 2 lanes. of market traffic jams. Whoop.
Oh, hello.
There we go. Canada.
Canada. Welcome to Indonesia.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello. Hello. Yeah, this is almost impossible to get across. You can maybe get across one lane, but there's no way to predict what the other lane looks like. Oh, here we go. Look at that. An opening. Maybe he did that deliberately. There you go. Gave me an opening to get across. So. Yeah, right up here on the right. That's where, I think that's where I went into the market. Yeah, this alleyway right there, that's where I went in. All right, there you go. A taste of an Indonesian market, or Minangkabau market in Bukit Tinggi.